Let's bring in CJ Muse, fundamental research analyst at Evercore ISI. CJ, just want to get your thoughts on why we are seeing such selling pressure within the semis, especially given the fact that they are tied so closely to economic growth and recovery story.
Yeah, good afternoon. It's a surprise and not a surprise, right? With the focus on interest rates and Powell, and really no change there in the 10-year moving the way it is. We've got a buyer's strike here, and some of the more favored names, have sold off. I would highlight the stocks. Was up 15% just 3 days ago. We've given back all of that, obviously, and looking ahead, we're in a pro-cyclical world. I think this is a great buying opportunity. I tell investors to get their shopping list ready, and I think now is the time to add. Nothing has changed fundamentally. Semis are in shortage, likely throughout all of 21 into 22. So, I'd be buying today.
What is that shopping list? What should that shopping list for investors include?
Three best areas: memory, semi-equipment, and analog. And within memory, Micron, WD are our favorites. In semi-cap, ASML, AMAT, and Lam. And then in analog, NXP and ADI are our favorites.
All right. And then just given the fact that, I guess, expanding this out more broadly, we have seen these shortages that have been affecting the auto sector and other key industries as well. How much of that, I guess, on one hand, maybe it gets some of these semi-manufacturers some pricing power, but on the other hand, how much of those delays and the impact that the supply chain hiccups are having could affect those companies?
Yeah, I mean, we're modeling 15% top line growth for the industry. I don't think we can do much better than that, given how long it takes to bring on new supply. But what that means is a longer for stronger cycle. So, I think that bodes well for the group. And, I'd remind the audience that, we're 2 quarters into recovery. These cycles typically last 6 to 8 quarters. So, I think it's way too early to be giving up on this group, particularly secularly how important, semiconductors are to each and every industry vertical.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.